INOH 0004 right now, starting to make some moves. A lot of people talking about this one. I really do want to point out, we started looking at this stock over here on the 15th, which is going to be right here. Look at that. That is when we first started watching at this one. So now that was at 0002. You guys would have been up 100%. This is why I always say, make sure you join in over here on investorshangout.com/live. What we said on the 15th, again, just myself went through this one. Joe's here now to tell us a little bit about this company. 0002, watch this one. Something is up and volume picking up. Watch for a 0004 hit to confirm. And you guys just got that today. Literally right there. Watch that. 0004, this thing's starting to take off here. Watching for the parabolic star to flip over. This one is getting set up for a technical analysis alert as long as this volume continues. I kind of get a little standoffish putting this on alerts down here at the bottom like this right now. But hey, I mean, 0004, if you're lucky enough to get a 0002, I think that you'd be in a safe way, in my personal opinion, because that 0002 is now becoming a solid support, and it's no longer hitting that 0001 no more. Watch this one. I think that this thing is getting set up to make some serious moves here. In my opinion, looking at the chart here with almost 1 billion shares traded on the 13th, and then following up with 646 million shares traded, it didn't take much now. Means a lot of people are loading in this area. It didn't take much for this one to start moving now with just a quarter of what you had over here, and you're making much higher moves. So this one's going to go on a technical analysis alert. If this volume continues, the only thing that I'm missing here is a parabolic SAR. My opinion is chart set up here at 0004. I'm going to hand it over to Joe, see what he can add.
Not much. It's got this stop sign with pink, no information. And the share structure authorized was $4,400,000,000 as of December 31st, 2015. The float back then on June 30th, 2015 was showing 238,357,658 shares. So that is that. There's no filings for me to go through, any up to date anyways. And I don't see any press releases either. The last quarterly report was from May 5th, 2016. And last press release was on November 23rd, 2015. It was Ovations Holdings Inc. signed strategic marketing agreement with lending medical billing specialist. And let's see. So, and then also in June 25th was the one prior, June 25th, 2015. Ovations Holdings Inc. executes purchase and sale contract on acquisition of 7.5 million gallon tank farm, calculated to value over 13 million and to yield revenues of 1.8 million per year. So I mean, we haven't really heard much of them since. So maybe they'll get this shit together. So if you have an opinion on the company, just go right over to the INOH board over there on Investors Hangout. From there, you see the company profile, time and sales, recent news, filings, financials, basically everything I just talked about. But I mean, nothing's really up to date yet as of now. So maybe they will be. We'll see. Time will tell. If you have an opinion, just share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting over there on that message board.
Remember, the time and sales, like Joe just said, that's completely free over here on investorshangout.com. Most sites charge you for all this information. We have it completely free. So back on the chart here, one other thing I want to point out here is look at this. Back in 2015, it went up to the 0004 and just basically same setup here. Just came back down. So that's why I said play it safe. To give you guys a better idea, this line right here is October 2014, and this is the whole area. This is the rest of 2014. 15 and 16. So that's 2.5 years right here that we're looking at. Zooming back into right here, I mean, it just went dormant for so long. 500,000 shares here and there, 1 million shares, 2 million shares, just really, really quiet. And then it really picked up. Watch this one, technical analysis alert with volume to continue resistance at 0005 now. Support at 0002 is going to be a must hold. Obviously, we're going to go much further than that, but a lot of shares. Play it safe, in my opinion. It's one of those gambles, especially if you're lucky enough to get in the lower level of 0002. So INOH, if you follow this one again, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. If you have a hot stock that you would like to share with us, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live, and shout out to the person that originally brought this to us on Investors Hangout Live. This is why we always ask you guys to get out there and share this video on different social networks, forums, and stock message boards. We'd appreciate it very much.